Hey everyone, it's Mandy. Thanks for joining us tonight. Hey, we are gonna do a cute little tote for the lake today. So we're gonna be doing inking, which is permanent, and I'll kind of show you how to heat set it and all that good stuff. So as you're jumping on, say hello and tell me where you're from, and do you enjoy the lake? Do you like to go lake, and which lake do you like to go to? So we're gonna use this Go Jump in the Lake, and we're gonna put it on this. Oh, I thought I lost you. We're gonna put it on this cute little bag that I found at Hobby Lobby. And so you have, a cute little bag that you can store all your stash in when you're going to the lake. So, I was gonna show you, I used it on another little, our door tags. So I used this same transfer on this for the lake part of it, and I just washed it. You can see that it's stained and everything, but it's okay because it's just stained on the blue part, not on the design part. But I was going to tell you guys, if you wanted this little fishy, that transfer is getting ready to retire. So if you want that transfer, you better go check to see if they're still in stock, because once it goes out of stock, it's going to be gone. So let's get started. How are you guys doing today? So I'm gonna do it in red. I'm just gonna do the lake part in red. So I'm just gonna get it kind of on here where I want it, where I think I want it. And we'll see how it turns out. And then I'm gonna measure, kind of make sure that it doesn't, hello, thanks for joining. I think it needs to go over just a little bit to make it even. We'll see how that turns out. And guys, if you have questions as we're going along, just type them in the comments there, and I will certainly get back to you. If I miss them, I'll get back to you after I do my live. So I think we're almost there. Just one little tiny move. And if you're OCD, you definitely don't want to be doing this while people are watching you. Ooh. Let's see. As soon as I get it even, I'll take off the rest of it so you can see what I'm doing. But I picked up this little tote bag and I thought, oh, that would be so cute for the lake, and then to add the word lake and the little canoe would be cute. Okay, so 5.5. I'm thinking we're gonna go with it. So let me take this off so you can see what I'm doing. I just thought it would be easier for me to work with. And actually, I need to put it back on because I forgot to put my ink mat in. So we have these little ink mats that make it easier, that stick to the fabric or whatever. They're sticky, and then they keep it from the stuff the ink going through. So let me turn it this way so I can put that in there real quick. Oh, this even has like a little coin purse. Cute. Let me put this in here real quick. So this just helps from it going all the way, bleeding all the way through, and really helps like on t-shirts and stuff, because it helps it keep it from moving around. It sticks to it, so that's nice. Okay, almost. This won't take very long once I get it down and ready to go. Now let's put that off to the side. And this works with paste and with our inks. So on that little door tag, I did it with the paste, and I'm gonna do it with the inks. And you wash it the same way. You just wash it with water, and get the ink off, and then you can reuse it again when you're ready. Okay, just making sure that that's gonna look okay. Okay, and I chose red, so I thought that would actually show up a little bit better than it was either red or black, and I thought, well, I'll do red. What color would you guys have chosen? We have like 30 different colors to choose from. So just make sure that your air bubbles are all out of your transfer. so that you can work, you know, so it doesn't bleed or whatever. So let's see what we get here. And then I like to put my ink just on the blue area, so it doesn't like all smash into the design all at once. So we'll see how that works out for us. And if you're new, say hello and let me know you're a newbie and you're just learning. Oh. Okay, and the big thing that you want to remember when you're working with inks is that you wash your hands before you touch anything, because it is permanent, so you won't be able to get it out. Like our paste is a little more forgiving. So let me put this to the side and just start moving it around. And then when I go to take off the transfer itself, I'll go slow. So if I miss a spot, I can just lay the transfer back down and go back over it. But guys, are you lake girls or any kind? I'm kind of any kind of water girl. Give me some water and I'm happy. But probably my favorite is the ocean. I like being at the ocean, the beach, at the Gulf, where it's hot, where the water's warm and the sun's hot and it feels good. Okay, let me get some more ink out real quick. To my E and my oar here. Okay, checking my fingers. But once we get this done, guys, you have to heat set it. And so to heat set it, basically, you can use a hand iron. So you just want to put some parchment paper over the design area and put your iron on like 400 medium heat, and then for 4 minutes go over it with your iron and make sure that you're circling around. Don't put it in one spot because obviously that would burn it, but you want to circle it around and get it heat set. Or you can use your Cricut Express and heat that up to 310 degrees. Put your parchment paper over the design, and then for each, I think I went out just for a second, but heat your easy press up to 310 minutes, and then for each section do it for 30 seconds, and then turn it inside out and do the same thing on the back side. And that way, if it gets dirty or wet or whatever and you want to wash it, you can just throw it in the washer with the rest of your clothes. Per take that this would actually, just read the care instructions for whatever garment it is or whatever it is. But it can go in the washer with the rest of your clothes. So if you can make t-shirts and all that good stuff, and you know, we can also use the ink to heat set our like coffee mugs and stuff. So we make little cute little personalized coffee mugs. So okay, I think I'm done. So I'm just gonna pull it up slowly here and make sure I got everything. And then if I didn't, I'll just put it back down and hello, thanks for joining. I'll put it back down and get some more ink on it. So again, just check your hands. Okay, I'm gonna pull it up from this way just so I can check and make sure that I got everything. Aw. Oh, my E or my L. My L needs some more love. And I dipped my finger in it. I'm a messy crafter. Are you a messy crafter? Oh, goodness. Okay. Let me put that to the side and let me It's all underneath my nail and everything. Okay, I might have to have my mom come over and give me a spit bath in a minute. Did your mom ever give you a spit bath? Oh my gosh, that was the worst. That little L, oh, okay, the L is actually distressed. So some of our some of our designs are already distressed. So when you're pulling it up, if you think that you missed a spot, it might actually be the design. It might actually be designed that way. So a distressed look. So again, I'll just take this to my sink, guys, and I'll just wash it off with warm water. And that's all you need is just water. And once you get that washed off, you'll lay it with the sticky side up. And once it's dry, because it's a fabric, and so it's kind of wet. It will be wet for a little bit. So once it's dry, you'll put it back on the backer sheet with the shiny side and the sticky side, okay? So just remember, shiny and sticky side go together. So let's see if I can read some of those comments. I'm gonna see if I can read some comments. Oh, hello. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let me get this up just a little bit. I don't want to get red ink all over everything. Hello. Wow, I got it all over my hands. Yeah, so that's, you want to pay special attention to that before you actually pull up your bag. But this is what we did. Really cute, really simple. Can you see it? Can you see the distressing on it? The E and the L. That was where I saw it the most. So this is our little bag for the lake. So after this dries, I'll let it dry for about 24 hours, guys. And then, like I said, I'll just take some parchment paper and I'll put over the design. And then I'll take my heat iron and iron it for 4 minutes. And then I'll turn it inside out and do the same for the back of it. And then if you have an easy press, you would just do at 310 for 30 seconds on each part of the design. So give me some hearts, guys. Let me know what you think. If you want the supply list for this one, just type in DIY. If you would like to more information about our club is a happy mail that you get each month. It's always a little surprise that we always enjoy. So type in club. It's only $19.99 a month, so it's kind of a no-brainer. And you can obviously ink with it. You can paste with it. It actually comes with, thanks guys. It actually comes with some like 3 singles of paste that you can play with. And so type in a club for that, more information on that. And then if you want to know more about what I do, just type in join and I'll send you a link and get you guys going. So I hope you guys have had a wonderful day and enjoy your evening, and I will talk to you later. Bye.